Hello, my name is Bill Vandervoort. Thank you for your interest in solar energy for your home. Today there exists a fantastic opportunity to save money on your energy bill. You see, due to manufacturers' cost reductions, government and utility rebates, tax incentives and credits, there's never been a better time to go solar. Solar is a true renewable energy source. Clean, efficient, and depending on the system that you purchase, it can eliminate most or all of your utility bill. Utility costs are rising at a rate of 6% per year, which means that your electric bill will double in a short 12 years. If you install a solar system that provides most or all of your energy needs, you can insulate yourself from those increases. Now here's a little Solar Economics 101. Imagine this represents your current electric bill. Now here's your new electric bill after the installation of your solar system. After adding the monthly cost of the solar system, you can see that the system is paying for itself and saving you money month after month. Of course, the savings will depend on the system that you purchase, but that's why we're offering a free report entitled, Is Solar Right for Me? You'll learn just what solar is, how it works, the components involved in a solar system, and the characteristics of your home that affect the efficiency of the system, and lots of other important information items that you'll need to know to determine if solar can save you money. Just fill out the form and get your copy today. No cost or obligation. Learn how solar can save you money now and thousands in the future.